guys, so we're gonna do a little bit of magnet fishing today. So I'm out on the Rock River. That and that are probably gonna be gold mines, but I figured I would start here at a dock and work my way around. So let's get into it. They put knots in it. How freaking deep is it? First throw is nothing. Let's go a little further out. Hold on. Hold on. Where's my rope? There it is. You know what? Let's come over here. Found some scrap. Oh, it's Dad. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Angel. What do you need?
I was just gonna come over and try to figure out Mom's PIN number for her phone. A ladder for what?
Start working on her siding.
Ah, yeah.
Don't want to shine my lamps too high.
I'm just doing a little bit of magnet fishing.
Okay, well, give me a call before you come over.
I will.
I can be here.
All right, sounds good.
I'll see you later.
All right, love you. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, come on. Ooh, that was something heavy. I didn't get it, whatever it was. So I I found some like reverb or something. It's weird. Go. So it really feels like I have something on here. I do. I don't know what this is. What is that? It's kind of hard to see. What is that? I don't know what that is. Found that though.